Hello everyone, Techy here. Today's video will gonna be some different. In this video I will tell you how you can download very amazing brushes for free and install them in Photoshop to create amazing artworks. So let's begin. First, open a website named Brusheezy on your browser. Here you can find every type of brush you want.
Okay.
Type the name of the brush you want. Here you can see a very large variety of brushes. I am downloading this splatter brush here. Click the download button and wait for 5 seconds. Your download will automatically start. Now go to the location where your brush is downloaded and extract the zip file. Now we have to import this ABR file in Photoshop to get our brush. Now select Brush tool. Then click on this setting wheel icon and click on Import Brushes. Now double-click on the ABR file that we have just extracted and see our brushes are imported and ready to use. Hope today's video will be very informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the next video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.